How to set up online banking on Nationwide. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can set up online banking on Nationwide, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to set up online banking on Nationwide, all you have to do is just go to nationwide.co.uk and then you are going to be able to see this type of interface. Now, we're talking about setting up online banking, which means we are not creating a new bank account, but we are creating an online banking account for the already existing bank account so that we can make transfers online via mobile or the website. So for this, when you come to the website, tap the login option here. If you already have an account, but I'm assuming you don't have it, so select register for internet banking. So when we select register for internet banking, it will give us some of the details as to what we need to register for online banking, which could be your credit card details, debit card, or your account number, and so on. And once you've done that, you can choose the account by tapping on this option, selecting current account. You can just select any option, but I'll select current account for the convenience. Then tap on the continue option from the bottom right of the screen here, and as you have done that, you will be taken to this page where you can enter your current account number and enter the 8-digit number on your debit card. You can also enter the sort code. Now this details at the bottom is supposed to be your legal details, so make sure to enter your first name in full, for example, and after you've done that, you can select your last name, the date of birth, month, and the date here. Select your address, your postcode, tap the continue option, and then you will be able to set up online banking on Nationwide. This way you can set up online banking on Nationwide. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.